Hello and welcome back to Marlin's Fishing Adventures. Thank you for everyone that's watched my last video, new subscribers, thank you very much. I'm currently at Minehead, left side of the harbour. Today I'm going for cod and rays. I've got my steps on with me again today. So all I'm using is my Pen Mag 3s, the 525 version. Any fish anywhere, 6 and baits, 14 foot, and I'm using an up and over pulley rig and a pulley drop, just a normal pulley rig. One's got sand eel on, and the other one's got squid. It's a squid wrap with carp. So like I said, I'm trying to go for cod and rays. I know there's a few being caught up this way lately. So yeah, fingers crossed. I hope you're all doing alright. Sorry, I'll get little twitches. It looks like, I'm not sure if it's the weight settling in the tide. But yeah, so the baits it's Andy's baits. I've never used them before. It's the squid carp bombs with inner squid. I'll show you my rigs and I'll show you my baiting up once I sort out my other rigs. Like I said, I'll pre-make my rigs before I come up. So I might do a video on the rigs, making the rigs, and I've got some weights to make up. So I could also show you how I make my weights. Yeah, I'll bring you back in a bizzle, guys. Oh, and by the way, the forecast is supposed to be pretty crap early on doors. And we are fishing the tide down. The tide's at low is 2:30, so we've got about half an hour ish till the turn of the tide, and high water's around, I think it was about 9:30 ish. So I would be fishing till about 10:30, 11. So yeah, I'll bring you back. Hope you all enjoy. Hello, and I'll bring you back. Just changed baits and sent a mackerel fillet out. As soon as they hit the deck, tap tap. So it could be a dogfish, small fish. I'm not sure what could be around at the moment, or it could be a ray sat on the bait. Yeah, tapped a few times, nothing, left it a little while, and it tapped a few times again. So it could be a ray, because ray can do that. Ray will also gentle pull down or slack line you. So it could be sat on the bait, I do not know, but something had a nibble. So constantly change your baits. My next load to go out is another mackerel fillet and some black lug, frozen black lug. So yeah, not much is happening. Light's just starting to fade. Like I said, high water's around 9:30 ish. So we're fishing the flood, and hopefully something will come in. Might get bass up around here. Well, you get bass up around here. If we get one, it's a different story. But there is a charter boat just off the point, it looks like, and that's been there the whole time we've been here, so something must be about. So yeah, hopefully, if not, end of the month, I'm hopefully out on Teddy Boy with a mate, so fingers crossed. I'll try and get a video, but I don't know. I'll take the stuff with me, all my gear, recording, and go from there. And hopefully I'll catch some fish on that day. Probably get rays again, cod, huss, and whatever bites. Yeah, it's a bit quiet at the moment. Like I said, the tide should be coming in, but I think it's still it's either ebbing or, because I'm starting to see more sand. And like I said, low water was it half 3? Sorry, I got my steps on and I was looking at it earlier. Low water might be around 3:30 actually. Yeah, it's either 2:30 low water or 3:30 low water, because I'm starting to see sand now. Yeah, so I think 3:30 was low water. So if it was 3:30, it's just gone. Well, it's now 20 to 4. So that's low water done, and it should be on the turn. So might be worth in a minute sending some fresh bait out. Let's go from there. But hopefully we'll catch something. It'd be nice for the video. I know I caught eels the other weekend, but it'd be nice to catch something a bit different. Because hopefully at some point I'll be scoping out a new fishing mark as well for huss. And I've heard rumours the average stamp down there is about £10. So yeah, it'd be good if I can get down there. So I've never fished it before. I've known it and known of the spot for years, but I've never been down there. But yeah, hopefully, fingers crossed, touch wood and all that jazz, we'll get something. Until then, I'm going to change baits and I'll bring you back. See you later. Right, I'll bring you back. Nothing to report apart from my step sign snagged up, and so did I. So there must be a reef or something out there. I don't know, or just a little bit of snaggy ground. But fingers crossed we don't get snagged up again. I think someone just down the beach has either caught something, or he's probably lost gear as well. I don't know. Bit too far away to tell. So yeah, interesting. Not. Still using mackerel, squid, black lug, sand eel. I've just sent out a double sand eel, and on the other oil at the moment it's a bit of black lug. Next one's going out will be a mackerel bait. Yeah, now it's starting to get a bit dusk. It's the all but twilight hour, so hopefully something will come off. Sorry, I keep not looking at the camera. Bit tongue-tied there, guys. I was keeping an eye on my stepson's rod as well as mine. But yeah, next time you might see me, I might have my jacket on because the temperature is dropping slightly. But if you don't go, you don't know. So we're out here trying. So yeah, I'll bring you back for more information. So see you in a bit. Take it easy. See you later. It's getting dark and got myself a little strap eel. Lovely hooked right into the bottom lip. So yeah, hopefully there's more to come. If these are on the feed, maybe everything else will start coming on the feed. So I'm going to release him, bait him back up, bait my rig back up and cast out. And that was on double sand eel. So hopefully, fingers crossed, more to come. It's still flooding, so hey, let's just see what happens. Night's young. See you in a bit. Welcome back. Not much to say. Just regular changing baits. No knocks. No nothing. Sent a whole squid out. Got mackerel out as well. I've got a squid and carp mix to go out. Yeah, so nothing to. Actually, sorry, I've got a double sand eel out and mackerel at the minute. I've got a squid and carp bait to go out. But yeah, nothing to show. But we are still on the flood. Like I said, the flood's at probably high tide's around 9:30, and it's only just gone 10. It's about 10 to 6. So we've still got a few hours on the flood. So hopefully it'll bring something in. There's a couple of anglers around here. So who knows? Who knows? Stepson's enjoying himself. We're going to have to move back in a minute as the tide's coming up. So yeah, I'll bring you back if we've got anything. Might do an update. If not, be my outro. But yeah, it's pretty pants at the moment. But still got a few hours left. So who knows? Catch you in a bit, guys. Stay safe. Hello, and I'll bring you back. Nothing special, but it's a fish. It's a woofer. Oh, look. Doggy, doggy, doggy. Baby shark, do 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 do. So yeah, baby woofer. Whoop. Female. So yeah. Not the target species, but fish is a fish. Nice to see the bend in the rod. Gave me a slack line. So yeah, we've been having little knocks all night, and nothing's been coming off of them. So nice to see a fish. So hopefully there's more to come. Got about half an hour to low water. I'm going to fish about an hour after. And yeah, see you in a bit. Hello guys, I'll bring you back. Nothing special, just a small strap eel. Probably about 3-4 pound ish. So yeah, the fish are coming on the feed. Now the tide is getting high. Not what I wanted, but the fish is a fish. I was hoping for a ray. But yeah, it's not a eel. So I'm going to unhook him and release him. I don't know how I managed to bring him in. He's wrapped all my rig up, and I've lost my weight somehow. But yeah, I landed it somehow. God knows how, but hey ho, fish is fish. And I'll catch you in a bit when either I leave him, because it won't be long now till I go, and yeah, chuck another bait out. See you in a bit, guys. Thank you very much. Hello and welcome back. I forgot to do my outro up at minehead, and so this is going to be my outro. So yeah, ended off the session with 2 eels and a dogfish. Packed up around 11:30 ish. So yeah, it wasn't the best session, but at least it wasn't a blank. Yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again, don't know where, so until a couple of weeks time. You've got to keep an eye on the weather, and yeah, if you like the videos, please give it a like, and if you're really keen, give me a subscribe. Every little helps. And stay safe, tight lines. See you in the near future. Thank you again.